Hello YouTube, how is it going? Can you see me? How about now? Yeah, I think you can see me now. So today I want to talk about this amazing piece of tech from DJI, the Mavic 4 Pro. But before we dive into all the good stuff, I would like to talk about all the bad stuff, the things that I don't like about this drone. And yes, even this is a flagship drone from DJI, it's still far from perfect. First up, the cameras. When you are shooting in the bright sunlight in the middle of the day, it can get tricky. Even if you use the strongest ND filters from DJI, and if you want to shoot on DJI's D-Log, then you will run in some issues because the main camera is okay, but the other two lenses, 70mm and 166 millimeters, these has a fixed aperture, so you cannot adjust it. And the only way to adjust the exposure is shutter speed, and with shutter speed most of the time you want to have double as your frame rate, right? Because you will have this natural motion, bro. So then you run into issue if you make a ISO lowest, I believe is 400, shutter speed double your frame rate, and then if you shoot like 30 or 24 frame rates per second, then you will run into some troubles. The footage will be too bright. Yeah, and it's a bit annoying because D-Log is nice. I like to color grade. You can get away if you change your frame rates to 60. Then obviously you change the shutter speed to 120, and then the exposure is just right. Personally for me, 60 a bit is too much because it's I use it only if I want to do some kind of slow motion thing. So that's the issue with strongest ND filters, those two lenses. The main lens does okay because it can adjust aperture, and I always leave it on auto because it can adjust itself. So that's a little bummer. Of course, you can fix it, you can just leave it in auto, as I said before, or you can just downgrade to DJI D-Log M. ISO opens up, and then you can use, you can go as low ISO as possible, so that's 100, and that fixes the issues also. But D-Log M is, it's okay, but I like DJI D-Log because you have more flexibility in color grading. Another issue is vertical shooting. On paper it sounds really good and nice, and it looks cool when you flip this screen, and it's convenient, it's nice, it's good to have it, but there are a lot of things that it could be improved. As soon as you flip the camera, the tilt angle is very small. You cannot get any top-down shots or all that. Forget it. And also, drone drastically loses the speed. If it's windy, it's hard to fly with it. Just flip it back to horizontal, no problem. But here's the thing. Despite those issues, the positives absolutely outweighs the negatives. First of all, the camera system. The main 28mm camera shoots gorgeous 6K footage up to 60 FPS. The 70 and 160mm lenses both shoot 4K up to 60 FPS too. And they shoot in all profiles, DJI D-Log, DJI D-Log M or normal. Switching between cameras, the process is very smooth. It is quite quick and responsive. Then, how quiet the drone is. For this size, it is absolutely amazing. And the new RC2 Pro controller. I love this thing. Flips out, and as soon as you flip out and as soon as you unfold the drone, both things turns on. the screen is so big and bright. It's just absolutely amazing. Also, the gimbal can rotate 360 degrees. It's cool to have this. I don't use it very often. Most of the time, if I need to do some rotation, I just do it in post. But it is a very welcome feature. Battery life is also solid. As I said, also I love the thing you can fly really quickly with it. I mean, you just flip controller, fold the drone out, and it's just boop, it's up in the air. I mean, it's very quick and convenient. And from a photography perspective, I also love this drone. It's really cool to have 3 lenses. You can sometimes zoom in and you don't have to crop anymore. It's amazing tool, really, and I love the compression it gives. The 166 mm lens gives a beautiful compressed image. I love that effect. So to wrap up everything, the DJI Mavic 4 Pro is absolutely amazing drone. Is it perfect? No, but overall this is one of the best and versatile drones on the market. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe, comment. Let me know, maybe some of you found more issues. See you in the next one. Bye.